Bagong taon, bagong pag-asa. Tara, simulan nating pangarap mong magkaroon ng bahay at lupa dito sa Antel Grand Village. Happy New Year as 2025! Medyo naging busy tayo dahil sa maraming holidays na dumadaan, pero itutuloy pa rin natin yung house hunting para sa magiging future home mo. Kung kaya ikaw ay naghahanap ng property dito sa General Trias Cavite na yung may 5 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, may 2-car garage, and of course yung complete turnover and complete amenities, then welcome to your future home here in Antal Grand Village. Hi, I'm Manilin Garrido, your trusted real estate salesperson from Dreamhouse Realty. Magandang araw mga Dreamhouse! Another house tour naman tayo dito sa Antal Grand Village, which is located lang po dito sa Barangay Bacao, General Trias, Cavite. Ipakilala ko po sa inyo itong isa sa property model or model unit na si California na meron po siyang lot area na 175 square meter while the floor area is 200 square meter. And alam nyo ba guys na from Manila or going Manila ay 30 minutes lang po ang biyahe nito. And now, i-start natin yung house tour vlog. Again, California model unit guys, single detached. So ibig sabihin, each side ng property mo ay meron pong exist lot. Now, check natin. Start na natin yung ating house tour. So, again guys, it is sa actual turnover. So, later, papakilala ko sa iyo yung model dress-up unit. So, ito yung pinagtatayuan ko. Ito po yung car garage. So, kasya po dito dalawang sasakyan. Upon turnover, ito na po yun siya. Smooth semi-finish na po. Now, check naman natin yung each sides. Since single detached po kasi to. So, upon turnover guys, pag ito-turnover ito sa inyo, leveled soil lang po to siya guys ha. Then dito, banda dito, sa likod ng unit nyo or property nyo, pwede mo siya gawing as a service area or laundry area. So malawak pa guys, since ang lot area pa natin nito, total flat area is 175 square meter. Now, this part naman is your lanay area. So, itong space na to guys, kung napapansin nyo, mas malaki siya. But this is a corner lot guys ha. But the regular lot lang po nito is 175 square meter. Then, this is your, kung napapansin nyo, meron tayo ditong sliding door, access to your kitchen. Then, kung galing ka naman sa loob, access to your lanay area. Now, check naman natin, or papunta tayo sa front page ng property mo. So again, this is not actual turnover. The actual turnover guys is a leveled soil. Now, check naman natin yung first floor. So, kanina guys, kung napapansin nyo, fully painted na po yung exterior walls natin. So again, upon entering, the main door natin is steel door type. So, this is the actual turnover of California. Complete turnover and complete amenities na din po itong village na to. Again, the floor area guys is 203 square meter. And dito sa first floor, meron tayong 1 toilet and bath. Of course, 1 bedroom. Since 5 bedrooms kasi to. Now, sa first floor, fully painted na po yung walls hanggang ceiling. Then, yung floor natin, naka 60 by 60 ang tiles natin, porcelain tiles. Then, if napapansin nyo, sobrang lapad. See, sobrang lawak. Since ang floor area kasi natin guys is again 203 square meter. Now, check natin dito. So, sa front page or front view ng property mo, meron na po tayo ditong napakalaking glass type, pag door type na siya kasi malawak. So, natural light po ang pumapasok dito. Then, meron tayo ditong window, awning type, hanggang doon po. So, kanina, sa labas tayong, pinakita ko na sa inyo yung door type, a sliding door, access to your lanay area. See? Napakaganda. Pwede kayo maglagay dyan ng tables para magkape-kape. Yun, di ba? Napaka-perfect. So, this is the actual turnover, guys, ha? So, Dito na po nakalagay yung circuit breaker. Now, going to kitchen. Sa kitchen natin, guys, meron na po na dito, upon turn over, tinatawag natin kitchen island. So, like for example, yung mga pinaglulutuan nyo, dito yung siya ilalagay. Now, here, pwede kayo dito maglapag ng like gas stove, like ganyan. So, ito naman yung kitchen nyo. So, dito kayo mag-prepare ng mga food or hugasin. So, double tank stainless sink with faucet. And meron din pa tayo windows, which is a awning type. Now, katabi ng kitchen, of course, the toilet and bath. Toilet and bath natin, yung door natin is a panel door, proper yung quality, and of course, complete accessories na din po siya. Meron po siyang flush type with water closet, lavatory, shower, and tissue holder, awning type as a window, naka-tiles, ceramic tiles na mga floor, hanggang walls natin, din the rest fully painted na po. Now, check naman natin the first bedroom. First bedroom dito po sa first floor. So, yan. Again, naka-tiles na po yung 60 by 60, yung floor. Fully painted na po yung walls hanggang sa ceiling. Meron na po tayong naglalakihang mga windows. And ditong part na to, nakaharap yung awning window type sa car garage. Now, check naman natin yung going second floor. Pakita ko lang po sa inyo na meron pa tayong extra space dito sa ilalim ng hagdan. So, pwede nyo pa siya magamit para ma-maximize pa po yung space nyo dyan. Then, yung staircase natin going to second floor, tubular type, steel hand railings. Then, yung footstep natin, bit of wood planks na din po siya. So, guys, dito sa actual turnover, so wala na kayo gaano ipapaayos at nasa lang kung may idadagdag kayo mga interior designs. As in, gamit na lang po kulang dito. Now, this is the second floor of this model California. Meron po tayo ditong 4 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. Now, check natin yung first bedroom. First bedroom, guys, katabi lang din po na master bedroom. So, kung napapansin nyo, sobrang laki dito yung window type. Actually, hindi siya na-open. Para lang siya makakuha ng natural source of light. Then, dito may awning type window. Yung floor natin, naka-vinyl planks type. Walls, fully painted hanggang sa ceiling. Now, check naman natin yung ending door natin, panel door, as a premium quality. Then, of course, mga outlets natin dito, guys, naka-ready na, ha? Now, this is a third bedroom. This is a third bedroom, guys. Again, same lang po. Vinyl planks type yung floor natin. Fully painted yung walls hanggang sa ceiling. And, of course, may mga windows na din po naka-awning type, then nakaabang na din mga outlets. Now, check naman natin yung fourth bedroom. Fourth bedroom natin, guys, same. Vinyl planks type, fully painted hanggang walls, hanggang ceiling. Yung mga windows natin, awning type. And now, check naman natin yung toilet and bath. Toilet and bath natin, share as a common toilet and bath ni 2, 3, and 4th bedroom. Pwede sila dito mag-share. So ito na yung toilet and bath natin. Same lang din po ang accessories. Water closet with flush type, lavatory, naka-tiles na po siya, fully painted, may shower, and awning type window. Now, this is the master bedroom. Pinakamalaki at pinakamalawak. And kagandahan po sa master bedroom, guys, meron po siyang sariling toilet and bath. Again, same lang po ang specs nito. Vinyl planks type yung floor. Fully painted yung walls hanggang ceiling. And ang kagandahan, guys, may sili po siyang toilet and bath and balcony po. Now, check naman natin yung toilet and bath, which is same accessories lang, of course. Water closet with flush type, lavatory, shower, awning type, window, ceramic tiles na po yung floor hanggang sa walls natin, naka-tiles na din po siya. As you see me then, the rest fully painted na. Now, check naman natin yung going to your balcony. And guys, ang kaganda dito sa master bedroom, meron po siyang napakalawak na sliding door, which is a good of sourcing of natural light. Now, check natin doon sa balcony naman. Then, your balcony guys, ang floor natin dito is naka-tiles na po sa ceramic tiles, 60 by 60. Then, yung tiles natin made of a tempered glass. So guys, napakaganda dito mag-invest ng property na napakamaliwalas, napakatahimik, secured yung family mo dito. And this property guys also available in bank financing, and if ever gusto nyo po mag-avail na lot only, yes, available po dito sa Uncle Grand Village. And guys, naipakita ko na sa inyo actual turnover of this property na California. Now, ipakita ko naman sa inyo yung model dress-up unit para magkaroon ka ng ideas if ever may mga appliances or furnitures and interior designs. Now, let's watch this video guys. Hey guys, this time ipakita ko naman sa inyo yung model dress-up unit of this property na California model unit. Now, so again, this is the car garage. Kasya po dito yung dalawang sasakyan. Now, check naman natin dito yung front page ng property mo. So again guys, upon turnover, level soil lang po to, but this is the model dress-up unit. Ito po yung ginawa nila as a landscape garden. Now, check naman natin sa lanai area. So dito sa lanai area guys, ang ginawa nila, naglagay po sila dito ng tables and chairs. So pwede po kayo dito mag-relax. Now, going to inside the property. Now guys, check naman natin sa loob. Okay. So this is the model dress-up unit. So ito po yung outcome or looks pag may mga furnitures na. And this is your living area. See guys, so ang napakaganda ng ginawa nilang interior designs as a model dress-up unit. This is your dining area and kitchen area. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo the sliding door access going to your lanai area, which is pinakita ko na po sa inyo kanina. Now, check naman natin yung toilet and bath. And by the way guys, this sa kitchen island, katabi ng kitchen nyo of course. And this is again your toilet and bath dito sa first floor. Now, check naman natin yung first bedroom. So, ito yung outcome guys. Pag nagkaroon po siya ng beds, curtains. So, and now, this is your going to your second floor. Ay, pakita ko lang sa inyo guys, yung ginawa nilang storage para magamit pa yung space sa ilalim ng hagdan. So, see guys, diba? Ang napakaganda ng ginawa nilang designs dito sa first floor. Now, going to second floor. So, sa doon sa full turnover hand railings, now dito sa modern dress-up unit, pinalitan nila as tempered glass. See? Napakaganda ng interior designs. Now, pakita ko muna sa inyo itong second floor na may 4 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. And now, this is your second bedroom. Yan, may mga cabinets na, curtains. So, napakaganda ng ginawa nilang upgraded na interior designs. And this is your bedroom 3. Now, check naman natin yung bedroom 4. So, this is a bedroom 4. Again, guys, so napakaganda ng ginawa nilang interior designs. If ever, at least dito magkakaroon kayo ng idea kung paano i-upgrade yung interior designs. Now, check naman natin yung toilet and bath. So, sa toilet and bath natin, guys, as a common, pwede tayo mag-share dito yung bedroom 2, 3, and 4. So, diba, ang napakaganda, ang gandang pagkakagawa. Now, check naman natin yung master bedroom. See, ang master bedroom, guys, kasi yung bed natin dito as a king bed size. And, dito naman yung ginawa nilang toilet and bath. Pinalitan nila yung tiles, pati yung walls. See, ang ganda. Sobra. Nakaka-amaze. Modern dress-up unit pa lang to, guys. Na pwede nyo pong gayahin. And dito, naglagay sila ng cabinets, ng big curtains. Now, check naman natin, guys, yung master bedroom na may sariling access going to balcony. And guys, imagine if dito ka nakatira. See? Napaka-maliwalas, napaka-perfect. Sobrang tahimik. Sobrang secured. Mafe-feel mo secured yung family mo dito. If napapansin mo guys, may mga bakanting lot tayo dyan. If ever gusto nyo po mag-avail ng mga only lot, yes, available po tayo dito sa Antel Grand Village. So, again guys, this sa Mother Dress Up Unit, if naging interesado po kayo dito sa house tour vlog natin, ito ay available only bank financing. And if ever, just message me para po ma-schedule yung tripping hanggang sa reservation. Hey guys, this is a sample competition of California model as December 18, 2024. If house and lot, the total contract price is 21,103,680 pesos na meron po siyang down payment na 3,306,871 pesos payable only in 18 months. And we have also a reservation fee na 80,000. And the maximum to pay the amortization through bank financing is maximum to pay up to 25 years. And if ever preferred nyo is lot only, the total contract price is only 11,035,680 pesos. So again guys, Antal Grand Village, located lang po dito sa Barangay Bacau 2, General Trias, Cavite, na 30 minutes lang po going to Manila or via Cavite. So very accessible, and dito sa village na to, may enjoy yung mga complete amenities. Kung naging interesado kayo sa house tour vlog ko, message nyo lang po ako para ma-assist ko po kayo from site tripping hanggang sa reservation. Again, I'm Maniling Garrido, your trusted real estate salesperson from Dream House Realty. See you soon. Thank you, Dream House.